Data visualization in Python. The graphical representation of the data in a data set to identify patterns and trends out of it is called data visualization. Data visualization is part of data exploration, which is a critical step in the AI project cycle. We use this technique to gain understanding and insights to the data gathered through different sources and determine if the data is ready for further processing, or if you need to collect more data or clean the data. Matplotlib is used for data visualization in Python. We now know what Matplotlib is and what different kinds of graphs are there to represent data. Now we will create them using Matplotlib. First, we have to load Matplotlib to start plotting different graphs. Scatter plot. Scatter plot uses dots to display values from two variables in a graph. It is used to plot data which has no continuity, non-continuous data. This allows us to see if there is any relationship or correlation between the two variables. Matplotlib uses a built-in function, scatter, to create scatter plots. For example, output will be bar chart. Bar chart is used to plot data using rectangular bars or columns. It is generally used to compare values of two different categories. For example, marks of 5 subjects to compare, rise in population in 5 years, changing fuel price every month. Various versions of bar charts exist, like single bar chart, double bar chart, etc. can be used. Matplotlib uses a built-in function, bar, to create bar charts. For example, output will be pie chart. Pie chart is a circular representation of data where each slice shows the relative size of the data. The data is a complete circle equal to 360 degrees, with each segment and sectors forming a certain portion of the total percentage. Matplotlib uses a built-in function pie to create pie charts. For example, output is shown on the screen. Histogram. Histogram represents the frequency of the variable at different points of time. It is used for continuous data, and the bars created show no gap in between. Axis represents the bin ranges, while y-axis gives information about frequency. Let's draw a histogram to represent marks out of 100 of 40 students in class. Matplotlib uses a built-in function hist to create a histogram. For example, output will be box plot, whisker plot. Box plot represents the summary of the set of data values where a box is created for each having properties like minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. A vertical line goes through the box at the median. Here, x-axis denotes the data to be plotted while the y-axis shows the frequency distribution. Box plots can also be used to plot outliers, and these outliers are plotted outside the graph as dots or circles since they do not belong to the range of data and are part of the graph for visualization. The 6 parts of the box plots are: first quartile, Q1, from 0 percentile to 25th percentile, the middle number between the smallest number and the median of the data set. Second quartile, or median, Q2, from 25th percentile to 50th percentile, the middle value of the data set, where 50th percentile is also termed as mean of the whole distribution. Third quartile, Q3, from 50th percentile to 75th percentile, the middle value between the median and the highest value of the data set. Interquartile range, IQR, from 25th to 75th percentile. Fourth quartile, whiskers plot, from 75th percentile to 100th percentile. Outliers, shown as small circles scattered outside the box plots. Matplotlib uses a built-in function boxplot to create box plots. For example, output will be